Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Android Data Recovery. In this video, I will show you how to add story in Telegram Android in detailed steps. So, let's start the video. But before proceeding with this video, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we post a new video. How to post a story on Telegram? Stories are everywhere, ephemeral posts that disappear after 24 hours. However, Telegram stories boast additional features. Posting a story on Telegram is easy. For this, tap on the camera icon in the bottom right corner of your screen. This will open the camera screen. Tap the shutter button to take a photo, or hold it to record a video. You can also swipe up to access your gallery and choose an existing photo or video. Enter your caption in the caption field. Tap on Next in the bottom right corner. Choose who can view your story. And then tap on Post Story. So, this is all about how to add story in Telegram Android in detailed steps. If you found this video useful, then give it a like and subscribe to our channel to watch more useful videos. Thanks for watching.